In today's video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can check your Gemini API's quota or your limits. So let's get into it. And the first step is you want to go to aistudio.google.com. So Google AI Studio basically, and you want to make sure you are logged into your account for which you want to check usage or quota for. So after that, you want to go to get API key. It's over settings in bottom left corner over here. And from here, when you are in API keys, you want to go to usage. And from here, you can monitor your Gemini API usage. So you can see your token API requests here, total API errors, and etc. So you can look through this. And the next thing is that you want to check is rate limit. So it's under usage. And from here, you can see a limit for each model. So you can see on the left side, you have the model names. You have, for example, 2.5 flash. Then you can see the category of the model, then requests per minute, tokens per minute, and requests per day. So you can see also the amount over here. So currently I have not used any model in Google AI Studio, so I have 0 everywhere, but you will have some statistics over here. All right, you can also change time range over here. So you can change it for last 28 days. And you can also select a specific project for which you want to monitor those rate limits. And now I'm going to show you also how you can check your Gemini API's quota. So it's basically same as this, but it's on console.cloud.google.com. So you want to go to this website, and from here you want to click on this navigation menu on the left side, then API and services, enable API services. And from here you want to find Generative Language API. So it's this one. So this is basically Gemini. And from here you can see again your metrics, some traffic or quotas and system limits. So you can click on it, and from here you can monitor it as well. So that's basically it for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.